Respected correspondent, Mr. Subramanian, respected secretary, Mr. Bhubadi, respected headmaster, Mr. P. Natarajan, the guests of honor for today's function, respected AD Sindhureswaran, former international basketball player, the staff of this reputed school, and my dear students. Good morning to everybody. I'm in fact very happy today to be one of the chief guest to witness this excellent sports day function. I was very much impressed by the band party of the school and the march past done with the students. It was an excellent presentation. I would congratulate the heads of the school and the staff who have taken so much of pain to make this function a really an awesome one. Sports days nowadays takes a second seat in every school. The importance, though we speak about the importance of sports in colleges and schools, but the amount of attention which is being given for improving the sports standards, the quality of sportsmen is yet to find a better day. I hope Mr. Sundareswaran also agreed with me that we are concentrating more in schools about the academic pursuits. More importance, more thrust is being given for academic excellence. But there are very few schools like Vivekam, which aims at overall personality development. It is not only academy or the academic pursuit or flashing in newspapers about the performance of students getting high marks in the examinations. It is also making the students face the reality, face the life, face the consequences in a better way, to make better citizens, to inculcate ethics, more of values, so that when the student comes out of a school, he is a wholesome student. Don't worry if you don't get a medical seat or engineering college. That is not the end of life. You take sports. All fields are equally important. In fact, sports is only one such event which generates or which molds the personality of a person. It teaches discipline. Sports teaches discipline. There are two types of discipline. One is mind discipline and second is physical discipline. Physical discipline, you find a sportsman is always fit. Once he is fit forever. So he knows how to keep up his body. Do not indulge in type of activities which are not desirable. Keep himself fit, body and mind, so that he can concentrate on his career. That type of education which inculcates sports, gives importance to sports, those schools have produced better citizens, better career developers and better performers. So I would like to again request the management to keep up this tempo of wholesome personality development. I find you have got NCC, you have got road patrol, you have got your scouts, you got Green Wing. So many agencies have been banned is there. All these things are not fully developed in many schools. Though in the remote area, the performance, the type of education being imparted, I heard and I knew that this school is doing a great service to this area.
Respected Chief Guest, Mr. M.K. Sendamarakannan IPS, Commissioner of Police, Tirupur City, and the various dignitaries seated in the dais, my beloved fellow athletes, the future budding stars of this country, teachers and other students, I take immense pleasure standing before you to give a few notes which I have come across so as that it may help you in your future. As excellently said by the chief guest, most of the schools nowadays concentrate only on the academic side and they forget the sports. In the same category, there is a myth amongst most of the people that a person who is doing good in academic will not shine properly in sports, and a sports person cannot shine in studies. It is not like that. I'd like to give you 3 things which will make you understand and which will give you the power to prove yourself. That is 3 Ds. One is discipline, one is dedication, one is determination. Discipline is the one already quoted by Mr. Sendamarakannan. 2 ways of disciplines, that is the physical discipline and the mental discipline. It was rightly quoted by him. For each and every person who wants to prove himself, who wants to emerge as a winner, should have discipline. In whatever things he is entitled, he has to have discipline. That is, may it be food, may it be studies, may it be various activities, in each and everything, whatever he is up to, he should stick on to his discipline. Once he is disciplined, the first category, he wins. Second comes the dedication. In whichever part you are in, whichever work you are in, dedicate yourself totally, soul and mind. Give your utmost dedication so that no one ever dictates you. You can only be the dictator for yourself. Please don't allow anyone else to dictate you. You are the king. You are the emperor. You are the leader for each and everything what you do. So please dedicate yourself. And determination. If you take up something, determine yourself that you will see the end with glory. Come what may, turn round and face the world. Win or lose doesn't matter, but never ever surrender. That means வெற்றியும் தோல்வியும் நிலையானதல்ல என்பதல்ல. கடைசி வரை என்னால் முடியாது என்று நீங்கள் ஒத்துக்கொள்ளும் வரை நீங்கள் வெற்றி பெறுவீர்கள். That's what I said. Win or lose doesn't matter, but never ever surrender. Fight till your last breath so that you will be the only person who will emerge as a winner. I can say you, virtually I can say you, powerfully I can say you, that feel the strength, feel the power in you. Take it from me. Is it a promise I am giving you? Each and every budding stars here should have this in mind. I am powerful enough to prove this world. I am the leader. I'll prove myself. I'll give laurels to this school and this country. And you can take Mr. Sendamarakannan as your role model. He has come from various places. He has went into education. Now he is into police force. Police force is the one force which creates discipline. And I am equally proud that I was into one other department which is equally disciplined. So please discipline yourself, dedicate yourself, determine yourself, and so you can prove yourself and you can prove this world you're the best in the best. I thank one and all for giving me this wonderful opportunity so that I can share my views up to you. Last but not the least, studies is important. So is sports. Take both sports and studies in your shoulders, and God bless the Almighty, bless you and give you and shower you with His wishes and give you best of your life. Thank you.